This time on building terminology, broken hip. A broken hip is a pitched roof member which runs from the ridge of the major span down to the ridge of the minor span to form the hip at the external line of intersection of the two roof surfaces. So the broken hip would normally have formed the actual hip of the major span roof if it was a complete roof and this minor span section didn't come in and get in the road. However, because the minor span area of the roof comes in, then this hip is cut short, so we refer to it as a broken hip.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.